Hello, welcome back grade 2. I hope you are all doing good. Today we'll do two topics, that is at the store and double and half. To begin with, we'll do the word problems related with addition and subtraction that you have already learned in the previous class. As we all know that addition means finding the total by combining two or more numbers. It is usually signified by plus symbol, whereas subtraction is a process of taking away one number from the another. It is usually signified by the minus symbol. So let us do a quick word problem related to addition and subtraction. Suppose at a store it has 120 oranges. Another 100 more oranges were delivered. How many oranges does the store have now? Here it is clearly mentioned that the store has 120 oranges. Another 100 more. More means it is added up to 120 oranges. So that means we have to do addition. Addition means we have to add these two numbers. But first we have to write the statement like number of oranges at the store equal to 120, that is 120. Number of oranges delivered equal to 100, that is 100. Therefore, total number of oranges at the store equal to 120 plus 100. That means 220 oranges. So 220 oranges are there at the store. So let's take a next example, that is the store had 160 eggs, but 40 eggs had gone off. Gone off means it's already been sold off. So how many eggs were left to sell? So here we find that there are 160 eggs, but from 160 eggs, 40 eggs had already been sold off. Sold off means it has already been decreased. So decrease means we need to do subtraction. So number of eggs at the store equal to 160 eggs. Number of eggs gone off or sold off equal to 40. Therefore, total number of eggs left to sell equal to 160 plus 40 equal to, or 160 minus 40 equal to 120 eggs. Now I'll show you how to make up a story using the number statement. For example, 64 minus of 20 equal to 44. This is the number statement. So now how to make up a story with that? You can make any story out by yourself. For example, there are 64 sacks of potatoes in the store, out of which 20 sacks of potatoes were sold off. How many sacks of potatoes are left? Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, that is double and half. Double means to do the same number on and again, and half means to split the number into two equal groups. For example, if we take the double of 16, we can do this into three ways. The first way is you add the same number, like it's given out here 16, so 16 plus 16. You cannot take any other number. 16 plus 16 equal to 32. The second way is to split into ones and tens. 16 ones is 6 and tens is 1. So in tens we know that we have to put one more 0 to it. So it becomes tens. So here after this you have to add with the same number. Suppose ones place is 6, then you have to add with 6 again, and tens place is 1. So you have to add with the same number. You cannot use another number. So 6 plus 6 equal to 12, 10 plus 10 equal to 20. And when we add these two numbers, we will get the number as, or the result as 32. The third way is to multiply the given number by 2 times. That is 16 into 2 equal to 32. Okay, next is half of 28. So this half of 28, you can do it into two ways. The first way is you have to split in ones and tens, that as we have done with the doubles. So ones is 8. So what is the half of 8? It is 4. And what is the half of 2? It is 1. So the half of 28 equal to 14. The next way is 28 divided by 2 times. In doubles, you have to multiply by 2 times, and in half, you have to divide by 2 times. So when you divide these two numbers, 28 divided by 2. So 2, how many times are 2? 1 time. 2 ones are 2. The next number is 8. So 2, how many times are 8? It's 4 times. So 2 fours are 8. So the answer is 14. In any way, if you do, the answer will be, either will be same if your calculation is correct. Now, the next is, or the last one is the inverse statement. Inverse statement means the opposite of something, or reversing or undoing it. For example, what is the double of 50? As we know, when we do the double of 50, it means 50 we have to add 2 times. That is 50 plus 50 equal to 100. Now how to write the inverse statement of this? So the inverse statement for double of 50 will be half of the answer, and that answer is 100. Okay, what is double of 50? That is 50 plus 50 equal to 100, and the inverse statement of double of 50 equal to half of 100. So in this class you have learned how to make the word problem related with addition and subtraction, and the second is double and half, as well as with the inverse statement. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood. So keep practicing. Until then, take care. Take care.